Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to cancel a reservation on booking.com as a host. Now step 1 is just go to the admin.booking.com, the website of booking.com. Like there are two websites of booking.com. One is for the customers and the second one is for guests or the host. So just go to the admin website admin.booking.com, and from this page at the home page just scroll down, and inside the active properties you will see all these options like operations, performance, settings, and recently added properties. So from this section inside the operations, just scroll down and just click on the reservations. Inside the reservation you will see all the list of reservations that you have. Now I don't have any reservations because I did not add any reservations, so you will see the list of all the reservations. Otherwise you can just select the dates, choose the date, and once you choose the date you can just a date of reservation, check in, check out, you can just select it and just click on show reservations, and you will see the list of all the reservations. Now in front of reservation you will see two options, either direct cancel the reservation, or the second option will be like request the cancellation, and the request will be sent to the guest, and once he confirms, after that you will be able to cancel the reservation. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Make sure to follow all the steps and you can do it easily. So that is all about how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.